Hey guys, it's Bella and welcome back to my channel. So today's video, we're just gonna get through it as best we can. I'm excited and I'm ready and I really want to film today, but I'm just feeling a little bit rusty. And today I woke up feeling sick, so that's fabulous. I might need to put the aircon on at some point as well because my fever is just like off the charts right now, so I apologize in advance. But enough about me. Today's video, I'm so excited. I'm going to be doing a full face using Colourpop makeup. It has been a while since I've used Colourpop and they've come out with so many new products since I last purchased from them. So I think I bought every single thing on the website. So I'm really excited to try it all and let's just go ahead and get into it. Okay, first things first, I bought the brow pencil. This is in the shade Black and Brown. Oh, how do you twist it up? I don't know how to use this. What? It's coming out. I'm really confused. Does it just need like a little push to begin with, or? Oh my gosh, I genuinely can't open this. Is it broken maybe? What is going on? Oh my gosh, what is going on? Okay, we're off to a great start. I think I'm gonna have to skip brows because I think that mine might be broken. I like genuinely cannot get the product to come out. Okay. Good start. Okay, so I'm gonna start off with my eyes today and I'm obviously gonna prep them using concealer. This is the Colourpop No Filter Concealer. I have the shade Medium 26 here. Well, that's nice. That's really nice. Let me zoom you guys in. Whee! How you doing? Yeah, I really like that actually. I'm going to set it down using the No Filter Sheer Pressed Powder now. This is in the shade Medium. So for eyeshadow today, I'm going to be using the Yes Please palette, which is so incredibly beautiful. I mean, look at it. Who doesn't love a good warm toned eyeshadow look? I've heard a lot of good things about it, so I'm really excited to try it myself. For my transition shade today, I'm going to go in with the shade Big Cocktails. Love that. Oh, already this is so nice. Look at that. Blends out beautifully. I'm now going to go ahead and take the shade here, this like really nice red shade called Spoiled. Oh, that had a lot of kickback, ready? And I'm basically going to do the same thing here. These shadows are so nice. Look how like beautifully that blends out. I'm now going to grab the shade French Kiss just to kind of deepen up the outer corner of my eyes. For my eyelid, I'm going to go in with this shade here called Louis. It's so pretty. Damn, I wish there was a mirror. Shimmers are really nice and pigmented as well. Well, Louis is. I'm going to take the Creme Gel Liner in the shade Swerve. I used to love this one. I really should have bought like some of the gel colors. See how black that is? I'm also just going to use this on top of my eyes, just really close to my lash line. Oh god, I so wish this had a mirror. So I don't think that they had a mascara, so I just had to use my own, and now I'm going to move on to the face. I have the All Star Matte and Blur Primer. It smells kind of yummy. For foundation, of course, I have the No Filter foundation. This one is in the shade Medium 100. Oh no. It's so watery. And I just spilled it everywhere. Definitely not the right shade, but that's fine. Wow. This has a really nice finish and really good coverage as well. Oh my goodness, this foundation is so nice. Look how full coverage that is without like looking cakey. Oh. Damn! I feel like that's probably a lot. I feel like when I blend that out, it ends up really light. The coverage of that concealer is really nice as well, and it's super hydrating on my under eyes because I have really dry under eyes, and I have really dry like tops of my eyes too, and it was really hydrating on the tops of my eyes. I've had a lot of concealers on the top of my eyes. Most concealers, I would say 90% of concealers that I use on the top of my eyes end up like separating and getting really just dry and crusty, but this one looked really good, and it looks really good under my eyes as well and everywhere else. I still can't get over this foundation. So for my under eyes, I'm going to be using the No Filter setting powder. I have the translucent one, and I also have the banana one, which I'm going to be using later after my bronzer and all that jazz. It's a very small little thing, especially like this is the Laura Mercier. But it is a lot cheaper in saying that. First impressions is that it seems like it's really not drying because like I said, I have really dry under eyes. So if a powder is too dry and too heavy, it does not look good on me. Next up we have bronzer. I have two. I have this one. They actually, like this comes separately. I had to put that in there myself. I have no idea how to get it back out, but there's no name on the back of the packaging, so I have no idea what shades these are. That one looks really dark. I think I got that as a contour shade. And then this for bronzer. I might go in with the contour shade. Hopefully it's not too dark. It looks really dark. Okay, I'm gonna go in with a really light amount and just dust that off. I'm a bit worried. I don't think that looks good on me. Although I'm looking chiseled. Oh, I actually feel like I have a cheekbone now. But I'm not sure about that shade on me. I feel like it's a bit ashy. Formula seems really nice, but it's hard to judge a contour shade when you've got the wrong shade, because I don't know if they're all like this or if I just, like if this shade just looks ashy on me, or... I'm gonna go in with the bronzer now. I don't think that bronzer looks good on me either. Yeah, I get the feeling that's not my shade. It just looks really cool toned, hey. But it didn't look cool toned like when I bought it, because obviously I wouldn't buy a cool toned bronzer. And it obviously isn't a contour shade because it looks kind of like it's got a bit of sheen to it. But that looks really ashy on me. Oh my god, no. So I also bought 4 blushes. I bought the Super Shock blushes. I feel like this one matches my eyeshadow the best. This is the shade Quarters. Very pretty, so I'm gonna use that today. That's really nice. Although it looks like the blush itself looks really good. It just looks so weird with my muddy ass cheek. But I really like that blush. But also, I feel like I say this every time I try a new blush. It's so hard to make a bad blush. Like if you're making a bad blush, I don't know what you're doing. In saying that though, I have no idea how to make a blush. So, you know, you keep doing you. I'm gonna go in with the No Filter setting powder in the shade Banana as well, just to brighten up my face a little bit. I feel like I'm not seeing a lot of brightening. I feel like it's just kind of yellow. Maybe the yellow's too dark. I feel like it's making me look a bit jaundiced. Not terrible, but I probably wouldn't use it again. I'm gonna go ahead and finish off my eye. So I'm gonna go back in with my Swerve gel liner. I'm looking really orange. Okay, I'm going back in with my Yes Please palette now. I'm going to first go in with the shade Big Cocktails, kind of mimicking what I did to the top on the bottom. Then I'm going to go in with the shade Spoiled, a little closer to my waterline. And I'm just going to go in with a really small amount of French Kiss. And then, oh, this camera's not doing good things for me right now. Maybe if I zoom it out a little bit. I really don't know how to work this camera, so I look really orange, but I swear I'm not. Anyway, I'm gonna go in with this shade right here called Mischief. It's a beautiful yellow. I want to use it so bad, so I'm gonna pop it in my inner corner here. For lipstick, I think I'm just going to use this one here. This is the Lippy Stick in the shade Cookie. I love the Lippy Sticks. They smell so good and they're so hydrating. And I used to have so many, but I don't know where they went. But I love them. And last but not least, I have the Colourpop All-Star Face Setting Spray. I don't know why I say Colourpop, like obviously it's Colourpop. Ooh, that smells so good. Wow. Oh, and it is so fresh. I needed that. My skin is boiling up, but if I put the aircon on, I get really cold. I hate being sick. Oh, that is something that I want to like take with me on a plane or in my purse, and when I'm hot or just feel like I need some refreshment, just spray this. Wow. Oh, that feels so good. I forgot highlighter. Okay. So I do have a highlighter. This one here is in the shade Flexitarian. Such a pretty shade. I can't believe I forgot highlighter. Wow. Oh my goodness. I feel like it kind of goes on a little weird. Like clumpy almost. I don't know that it's my favorite highlighter ever. Also, it's probably a problem that it might be too light for me. So yeah, I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up for me, and hopefully I'll see you in my next video. Bye!